places down.
Welcome to Carscenekorea. Ready paint, big ass intercooler, wind deflectors and brakes. The car we have over here tonight is 86 GT86. You see over here the big ass over fenders to left and right. And again, that's not it. We'll definitely check him out on the Instagram over there. And there's another one. And so these two are both over fendered. I mean, I don't need to go over that, but count how many times I say over fendered tonight, because this is definitely one of the kind. And both of these two cars, they have the over fender from, let's go check them out, Rally Backer. And apparently this yellow model right here is V1. And that's the Forged Star, I know, because one of my friends has that. And this is the Rocket Bunny V1 front splitter. Well, so going back to the Rally Backer, so that's the V1. And this over here is V2 all around. But I gotta go double check on the front bumper here, because this one is really fresh out the factory. I believe this bumper came out less than like 2 or 3 months ago, because my friend over here, as soon as he saw the bumper, he ordered it, and he's the first one to have this Rally Backer front bumper in Korea. A handful of them worldwide. He also has a satin white GTR35 as well. Not a wrap, full paint. Pretty much all the black you see is carbon. But look at how clean these white wheels are. You can still see that sticker over there. Running 295 19s on the rear. White wheels, white cabs, white calipers, probably the brake pads. No, I'm just kidding. Look at this detail. I can have the owner come over real quick and do us a little rundown on the car. Again, carbon hood, carbon spoiler, and a big shout out to Area 86, biggest and largest GT86 community in Korea. Go check them out on the Naver. And look at that see-through, of course, fully functional carbon hood. And also the duct. That one over here are DRLs. Absolute beauty. Absolutely beautiful. And look how thick and big. Whoops. A little moth. Maybe a butterfly. I don't know. So some of the sponsors, or maybe the shops. He does the maintenance. And probably you GT86 fanboys know what this is. Aftermarket headlights. Same goes with this car over here. Craft Square. High offset club. Look at the Spidey over there. And thick and big carbon spoiler running all around. Just amazing. And for sure, just like any other cars, I mean, pretty much all cars, you gotta see these in person. It's immaculate and absolutely stunning and beautiful. Oh, we didn't check out the hoods over here. 4 vents, gigantic vents. And of course, definitely functional. Shark fin, no, not shark fin, but I know it's something It's called some. It's really unique and special to GT86s. So unfortunately, I don't know what they're called. Great choice of wheels, really, and color. I mean, pretty much just everything. Owners over there just gathered up, doing a little after night chit chats. So let's go back. Let's go on the back and see what these two bad boys got on the back. Look at this wide, big ass on the rear. Damn, look at this angle. Jesus. Just amazing. What more can I say? By far, this is one of the best booties I've seen on the GT86, so that's for sure. Rallybacker V1 GT86. Look at the size of the tip. Functional tips. Oh, and by the way, this GT86 is currently running on a turbo, probably a big single. And this is the rear of that white Rallybacker V2, satin white wheels to complement the body and everything. Which booty is better? This yellow or this monster over here? You guys decide. You guys let me know. Comment below. Because honestly, can't really decide. I mean, great choice of the GT spoiler on this one. I know a lot of GT86 do this diagonal angled supports on these GT spoilers. But I mean, not only are they functional, but they look absolutely stunning and amazing. Looking at the view camera is not picking up the color right, but if you look up close, yep, now it's picking it up. This car is purple wrapped, and these are professional wrappers in Korea. They do an amazing job. I mean, unless you really look up close like this, you can't really tell if it's a paint or a wrap, you know? Purple kind of looks bluish, deep blue. So this is the Rocket Bunny front splitter slash lip as well. Don't know what the body kits are exactly, but I think it's just a Rocket Bunny of V1, if not V2. Yep, so that's the typical Rocket Bunny fender with this area right here. Love this part. Love this part. It's purely amazing. Nice rims and also the brakes to match the body and over fender. We have 4 GT86 today over here, but 3 of them are wide bodied. And as we are speaking, a latecomer showed up with his another GT86 over there, over here, a black one, 2 different wheels on the front and the rear, so obviously he's a drifter. I like this decal, area 26, excuse me, area 86. It says MM. That's what? A4R? A4R in it. So apparently 5 different GT86s showed up, and none of them have matching color. The colors are all different. The cars seen in Korea. It's not white, black, gray. We have 4 GT86 lined up. And even the spoilers, they don't share anything same. Duckbill, OEM, and that's a Rallybacker carbon spoiler and a GT spoiler. I'm going to head inside over there to the rest, and I'm gonna get some coffee together. There you go. Let's go inside and take a look. 86. Let me turn the light off. Look at that. Some Recaro bucket seats. The TRD shift knob interior is carbonized as well. And look at these gauge. OMP performance steering wheel. And those 3 gauges, of course, they are the supplementary ones. These bad boys over here are the main ones, that's for sure. And got some more over here. And of course, 3 pedals. Just keeping it clean. This is an absolute beauty, absolute beauty. So we really got the both in and out of this car. Okay, let's get inside and get some coffee. I need some coffee break. I've been out here all by myself.